Yeah. You look at all the birds over there by the dump.
I know, they've been there all day.
Time remaining 1 minute 4 seconds. Time remaining 1 minute.
Hey, Ray, did your CG move back with the burner?
Oh yeah, way back. Oh, way back. My God, what the hell's wrong with that guy? There is no CG change.
People will be people, right?
Well, number one, I used the battery that made it move forward, so it didn't affect
That's all I
anything.
fly mine was those 5,000 packs.
Yeah.
I don't
Some
fly
people fly with 3,000s or 4,000s. 4,000's not enough. You just can't get enough flight time.
20 seconds.
Plane can handle the way, why would you go? No suspected packs, only 4,000. Those packs are full.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6.
Alright, coming in.
4, 3,
Gear pass and landing.
1. Gear down. Time expired. AC 25.2 volts. Feeling up 64 Fahrenheit.
Let's hope those pigeons don't take off again.
Hit 'em.
But they're over here now. What the heck?
Holy damn.
We're good.
Splat.
All right.